Aliens and reality. What we know, what we do not know, and why the question matters. The question of aliens is powerful because it touches science, religion, imagination, fear, and hope at the same time. Are we alone in the universe? The honest answer is that science has not confirmed extraterrestrial visitors on Earth. But science also has not shown that life beyond Earth is impossible. In fact, modern astronomy makes the possibility of life elsewhere feel more reasonable than ever, because planets are common, water chemistry is common, and the universe is unimaginably large. The first reason the alien question stays alive is scale. Our galaxy contains hundreds of billions of stars, and the observable universe contains hundreds of billions of galaxies. We now know planets are common around other stars. Some sit in regions where liquid water could exist. That does not prove life is there, but it makes the question scientifically serious. If life arose on Earth through chemistry, many scientists ask whether similar chemistry could happen elsewhere. The second key idea is the difference between possibility and proof. Life beyond Earth may be possible. Intelligent civilizations may be possible. But a blurry video, a strange radar return, or a personal story is not enough to prove alien visitation. The scientific standard is high because the claim is enormous. A claim of extraterrestrial technology would need multiple independent lines of evidence, clear sensor data, physical material, repeatable analysis, and a chain of custody that can withstand criticism. Unidentified anomalous phenomena, or UAP, are real in the sense that people and sensors sometimes observe things they cannot immediately identify. NASA has studied how better data collection could improve understanding. ARO has published cases where objects were resolved as balloons, birds, optical effects, or other ordinary causes. Some cases remain unresolved, often because the evidence is incomplete. That is important. Unresolved means unidentified, not automatically extraterrestrial. The strongest future evidence for alien life may not come from dramatic videos. It may come from biology and chemistry. Scientists look for signs of past microbial life on Mars, possible life-supporting oceans under icy moons, and chemical fingerprints in the atmospheres of distant exoplanets. A true discovery could be tiny, a pattern of molecules that strongly suggests biology. That would still be one of the biggest discoveries in human history. The alien question matters because it forces humility. If we are alone, Earth is even more precious. If we are not alone, then life is a cosmic phenomenon, and humanity is part of a much larger story. The healthiest position is open-minded skepticism. Do not dismiss every mystery, but do not accept every claim. Ask for evidence. Ask what else could explain it. Let wonder and discipline work together. One reason alien stories spread so quickly is that the human brain is built to detect patterns. When we see a light moving strangely, we naturally search for meaning. That instinct is useful, but it can also mislead us when distance, speed, camera angle, weather, or sensor artifacts are unknown. Scientific investigation starts by removing ordinary explanations first. Was the object a plane, drone, balloon, satellite, bird, meteor, reflection, or camera artifact? This process may sound boring, but it is how science protects truth. If an extraordinary explanation survives strong ordinary explanations, then it becomes more interesting. The search for life beyond Earth is broader than UFOs. Astrobiology asks how life begins, what chemical signatures life leaves behind, and where those signatures might be detected. A discovery of microbial life would not look like science fiction, but it would still prove that Earth is not biologically unique. The distance problem is enormous. Even if intelligent civilizations exist, interstellar travel is extremely hard under known physics. Signals also weaken over distance, and civilizations may not use radio for very long. This means silence does not prove we are alone. It only shows how difficult detection can be. UAP research is still useful even without aliens. Better data can improve aviation safety, sensor interpretation, airspace awareness, and scientific understanding of rare atmospheric events. A mystery does not lose value just because the answer is not extraterrestrial. The healthiest public conversation avoids two extremes. One extreme says every sighting is nonsense. The other says every mystery is alien. A better position is disciplined curiosity. Collect better data, be honest about uncertainty, and let the evidence decide. The public often mixes three different questions into one. First, could life exist somewhere else? Second, could intelligent civilizations exist? Third, have extraterrestrial beings visited Earth? These are related, but they require different evidence. The first is a biology and astronomy question. The second is a civilization and probability question. The third is a direct evidence question. The strongest scientific case for life elsewhere comes from chemistry and scale. Earth shows that life can emerge under the right conditions. Exoplanet research shows that planets are common. The discovery of extreme life on Earth also expanded imagination because microbes can survive in heat, cold, pressure, acid, and darkness. That makes scientists more open to life in unexpected environments. At the same time, intelligent technological life may be rare. A planet needs the right conditions, stable time, complex evolution, and many lucky transitions. Even if life is common, civilizations may be separated by enormous distance or time. One civilization might rise and disappear before another learns how to listen. This is why scientists search in multiple ways. They look for biosignatures, such as atmospheric chemistry that may suggest life. They look for technosignatures, such as unusual signals or energy patterns. They study Mars and ocean worlds. And they improve telescopes so distant planets become less mysterious. The best alien discussion respects both wonder and evidence. Wonder keeps the question alive. Evidence keeps the answer honest. Without wonder, we stop asking. Without evidence, we start believing anything. So are aliens real? Life elsewhere in the universe is scientifically plausible. Alien visitation to Earth is not proven. UAP are worth studying, but they are not automatic evidence of spacecraft. The best answer is to stay curious, stay careful, and follow the evidence wherever it leads.